In the morning and it's so bright, Bunny wakes up, eyes all wide, stretches out a brand new day. Gotta look good, it's time to play. I have a date with my cat today, a special day, it's gonna slay. Bunny puts on makeup, a little flair, picks out an outfit so debonair. With a skip in her step, she's on her way to meet her cat, her furry playmate. They run along side by side, heading towards the ocean's tide. I have a date with my cat today. We're going to the beach, come what may. Sand between our toes, sun on our face, having fun in this special place. Day goes by, it's dinner time. They sit together, food on the line, sharing bites, a lovely meal, making memories such a big deal. After the meal, the cat's so kind, does the dishes with a little grind. It's a team effort, they both agree, a perfect day.